Welcome to IDES 2023. Here are some of the highlights from this year's conference from Interpol's Drone Expert Summit conference that took place in Chula Vista.
This conference is important because this is the front edge of tomorrow. I believe in 20 years from now, much of policing is going to be done with drones and robotics and artificial intelligence, automating most of the mundane sorts of activities and the most dangerous. Right? Drones and robotics are especially good at tasks that are dangerous, dirty, or repetitive.
Fantastic opportunity for us in the UK to demonstrate what we are doing with drones in policing, but equally to learn from all of our other partners, as well as our public safety partners like fire and ambulance, about what they're doing in the drone sphere.
You can have some that would check a wide area and obviously zoom in on anything that might be a point of interest. But sometimes you'll have people that are under trees, under bridges, etc. So having a platform that can also fly low.
I found out that this summit gave me a lot of new learning, knowledge, experience and exposure for me to use this experience and knowledge back to my home country in Malaysia for the development of our Royal Malaysia Police Drone Unit.
One of the great opportunities at a conference like this is not just to talk about the technology, but to actually demonstrate how these drones work with other types of technology in a really challenging environment.
At DFR 2.0, and part of 2.0 is automating DFR operations. So it's great to see various automated solutions helping push DFR forward.
IDES 2023 has come to an end here in beautiful Chula Vista. Mr. Madan Oberoi, is this the end of drone conferences like this?
Multi-stakeholder engagement platforms never end. It is helping us to move from a vendor-driven solutions to need-based solutions, so it is never an end. Thank you.
Chief Kennedy, what has been your highlight this year?
I would say it was the networking, the collaboration, and advancing forward DFR 2.0.
Oberoi, we got some exciting plans for next year. Absolutely, we are looking forward to that, and that's when we try to bring truly a global need assessment.
Stay tuned for more updates. We got some exciting news for 2024.